This is the way how to keep all your daily items organized and easy to find. It was designed to keep your smartphone, your tablet, keys, watch, glasses, wallet, everything is organized in a series of spaces specifically designed. By using two pieces of plywood cut by laser machine with design shape. Then put them together. On a piece of wood, we can personalize it by engraving names or meaningful words to give to relatives and friends. Not only for decoration, but also has the function of storing items on the desk. This is truly a meaningful gift.